Here's how, with disarming simplicity in just a handful of seconds, we can quickly understand whether there are any suspicious, dangerous, or simply unauthorized activities on our mobile phone. All it takes is using a simple local VPN or not, and sending the raw data to be analyzed to LOGFORCE Blast Radius via API or graphical interface. Blast Radius is the first, and currently the only, autonomous vertical knowledge search engine with adaptive ML consolidation. This means it is an AI factory that produces and/or updates the knowledge required for the intended purposes in real time, and makes it consolidatable into sparks. AI logic fragments capable of correlating countless events, as shown, based on signal theories, thus composing a more complete model, in this case cybersecurity, together with LOGFORCE LTM, large telemetry model. Everything can be used locally or published on marketplaces such as Hugging Face. The real uniqueness of Blast Radius lies in its extremely high ability to correlate data in a stateful way with outstanding efficiency and with a simplicity never achieved before. Everything is manageable through a simple API that produces a full DFIR analysis, with detection logic translated for virtually every cybersecurity platform on the market. It has no real competition in terms of capability because of its uniqueness. In fact, it facilitates optimization in the use of what its users have already adopted. LOGFORCE Blast Radius is consolidated knowledge, portable, customizable, and explainable.